Okay, friends. So look, I don't like to think that I just completely miss something, but sometimes you find something that just doesn't make any sense and you're like, how did this happen? How did I not get educated in this at some point in my life? I figured I would have seen it in a YouTube video, a short, a friend would have told me. I don't know. Somehow I missed this one. So here's the issue. I was in Snag-It recently. This is Snag-It here. And I am trying to figure out how to get to the rest of my library. And I just can't figure out. I'm like, where the heck? There's a scroll bar down here at the bottom. Okay, I can see the other stuff. Okay, cool. There's a scroll bar. But I'm like, that seems really uncomfortable. There's no click right. Where is it? So apparently, if you click shift and scroll, you can actually scroll to the right. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, how long have I been dealing with problems like Microsoft OneNote? How long have I been dealing with problems where I couldn't scroll to the right and I thought the only answer was that I'm just an idiot and I didn't know. So I'm going to bring over OneNote here, hopefully. Okay, so if I were in OneNote and I happened to go, let's say I went half screen here and I went ahead and clicked it and said, hey, let's go to tile window to the left. Maybe I want my Camtasia on the right, whatever it is. Here, this looks really rough, right? So in this case, though, I can actually scroll to the right by clicking shift and the scroll wheel. That just, to me, I'm like, this whole time I've been thinking, I don't know, the developers just missed it or something. I mean, granted, there's a scroll bar down here at the bottom, so that helps, but shift and scroll is going to get it done for you much faster than having to go down here and drag it. I don't know how I missed that. Obviously, the scroll bar moves up and down, or down and up, depending which way you program it, but for me, being able to scroll and see that right and left is great. Over here on the other screen, if you're interested in knowing how to go full screen in a keystroke, I've also got a video on that. So you can put it over here and split your screen and almost get the value of two monitors. I'm a big fan of that split screen view. So we'll just let that rip. And that is all. Thank you for watching DIY-Tek. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this helped you out. Love to hear about it. If you knew of this, didn't know of this, either way, whatever the case, would love to hear it because I'm just curious. I am sure a lot of people know about it, but I am sure a lot of people like myself don't know about it.